Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'd like to share a topic that I believe will be valuable for anyone operating an industrial boiler. Today's topic is 2 simple steps for safe boiler operation. Industrial boilers are essential in many industries, including food processing, chemicals, textiles, breweries, dairy, edible oil, pharmaceuticals, packaging, and many others. In many factories, the boiler is the heart of the entire production system. If the boiler stops, the entire production line may come to a halt. A boiler is also a pressure vessel that operates at high pressure and may pose an explosion risk if it is not properly understood and operated. For this reason, proper boiler inspection and operation are critical to maintaining safety and preventing accidents. Now let's go through 2 simple but highly effective steps for safe boiler operation. The first step is to check the safety valves before every work shift. Every industrial boiler is equipped with at least 2 safety valves. Their job is to automatically release steam whenever the pressure exceeds the safe limit, to protect the boiler from dangerous overpressure that could lead to an explosion. To check the safety valves, follow these steps. The safety valve should only be tested when the boiler pressure reaches approximately 80% or more of the valve's set pressure. Then, gently lift the test lever on each safety valve. If steam is released while the lever is lifted and stops immediately after you release it, the valve is functioning correctly. This inspection should be carried out before every shift to ensure both safety valves are ready to protect the boiler whenever necessary. A properly functioning safety valve greatly reduces the risk of dangerous overpressure. Step 2 is to test the low water protection system. If you've watched our previous videos, you'll know that low water is one of the most dangerous causes of boiler explosions. It has also been a contributing factor in several serious boiler accidents. For example, the boiler explosion in Putho in 2022 claimed 4 lives, while another explosion in Dong Nai in 2024 killed 6 people. Many other tragic boiler explosions have also occurred. That's why a properly functioning low water protection system is essential for safe operation. This is the boiler water level control assembly. There are 2 common ways to monitor the boiler water level. First, monitor the water level using the gauge glass. Second, the boiler water level is monitored through the water column, which is equipped with either level sensing probes or a float-type level sensor. To test this system, the operator should follow these steps. First, operate the drain valve beneath the gauge glass and observe the water level. If the water level drops and then rises again while the drain valve is opened and closed, this indicates that the gauge glass is functioning properly as intended. The normal operating water level should remain between the upper and lower safe limits. Next, open and close the drain valve on the water column. During the test, the low water alarm should activate and the Feedwater pump should start automatically. After the valve is closed, the alarm buzzer and warning light should turn off and the Feedwater pump should also stop. This confirms that the water level control system is functioning properly. If everything works exactly as described, the water level protection system is operating properly and can safely protect the boiler. DIVI is sharing these 2 simple steps in the hope of making a small but meaningful contribution to reducing tragic accidents caused by boiler explosions. Our goal is to help every boiler operate more safely, more reliably, and more efficiently. And if you're responsible for operating a boiler, remember this: 2 small actions can prevent major risks. We hope the knowledge shared by DIVI brings real value to your daily work. We hope to see fewer and eventually no more boiler accidents in the future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.